In this video, I will show how to create account on DeepSeek. So just search on Google DeepSeek. This is the first website, DeepSeek. Open it. To create account, click on Start Now. You can enter your number, email and password, or you can log in with Google. So this is the way you can create your account on DeepSeek. Here you can search anything like ChatGPT. So thanks for watching.